Do you want to learn how to make money with affiliate marketing, but don't know where to begin? Isn't it true that affiliate marketing is all about making a lot of money with little effort? At least, that's what a fast Google search would lead you to assume, but the truth is a little more complex. Yes, affiliate marketing can earn you money. That is a lot of money. But the main question is how? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a new video, how to make money with affiliate marketing. Let's take a look. But before going in, if you are new and you are looking for more content like this, hit the subscribe button and hit that icon down below to be updated about every new video. Let's get into the video. If you already know about affiliate marketing, you can directly move forward to our section on how to make money with affiliate marketing. So, what is affiliate marketing? When an online retailer pays you a commission for traffic or purchases created by your recommendations, this is known as affiliate marketing. It's essentially traditional advertising done in a less intrusive manner. Rather than using graphic adverts to promote a product on your website, try this. You simply embed the product link in your content like this. Bluehost, a firm that provides self-hosting services for websites, is the affiliate partner in the graphic above. So, you can build a website, toss in a bunch of affiliate links, and then sit back and watch the affiliate commissions flow in. Not exactly, but I'll get there. For the time being, you only need to understand the fundamentals of affiliate marketing. You promote a product or service to your website, blog, or email list subscribers. Your followers use your affiliate link to purchase the product or service. You are rewarded for sales made through your affiliate link. Let's go over this process in further depth, so you know exactly how to create a successful affiliate marketing strategy. But first, let's take a quick look at two things you'll need before diving into affiliate marketing. To get started with affiliate marketing, you'll need to do two things: create a website or blog in your area of expertise. The first thing you need to make money with affiliate marketing is a website. You have a variety of alternatives when it comes to building your website. However, we strongly advise you to use WordPress. Even if you don't know how to code, anyone can rapidly create a professional-looking website with WordPress. Furthermore, WordPress provides additional tools to assist their sites run better than other website builders. This means that your site will have more functionality and your visitors will have a better user experience. If you want to make money through affiliate marketing, WordPress is the way to go. After you've built your website, you'll need to decide which products to promote. That brings us to the second requirement for getting started with affiliate marketing. Select which affiliate products to promote. If you've done the work to establish a niche, selecting affiliate products to market should be simple. Choose products that are relevant to your content and fit your niche. Joining an affiliate network is one of the greatest ways to choose your affiliate items. Affiliate networks are companies that connect merchants and affiliate marketers in order for both to make more money. Affiliate marketers use affiliate networks to help them choose which products to advertise on their website. There are numerous affiliate networks available, but here are a few of the more well-known. Share a Sale is one of the most well-known affiliate networks. Whereas Amazon Associates is solely focused on Amazon products, Share a Sale has affiliate programs for over 4,500 retailers, large and small. You can sign up for all of these merchants, generate links, and monitor your statistics from a single location, the Share a Sale dashboard. The second affiliate network is a Win. It is another prominent affiliate network that allows you access to over 13,000 different merchants. Is a Win, which is a shorter rebrand of the original affiliate window. A Win purchased Share a Sale in 2017, however the two are currently managed as independent organizations with different merchants. The third and most famous network is Amazon Associates, which is an excellent alternative. If you want to promote tangible things on your website, you may earn a commission on almost everything sold on Amazon.com with Amazon Associates. What makes this program even more lucrative is that you get a commission on any new product purchased by someone you suggest, even if it is not the product you linked to. The fourth affiliate network to promote your business is CJ Affiliate, also known as formerly Commission Junction. CJ, as Commission Junction, is another affiliate network that unites hundreds of different merchants under one roof, a lot like Share a Sale. CJ, like Share a Sale, is one of the largest affiliate networks, which means you'll be able to connect with thousands of both large and small businesses. Currently, there are 2,696 different merchants. And the last in my list is Rakuten Marketing, which is also known as formerly Linkshare. Rakuten Marketing, previously Linkshare, is a popular affiliate network with a large number of large retailers. Notable retailers include Walmart, Best Buy, Macy's, and Papa John's. They also have several smaller merchants, albeit their network isn't as extensive as Share a Sale, CJ, or a Win. They have just around 1,000 merchants. One advantage of affiliate networks is that they usually have more data on how well a product sells. You can then use that information to boost your affiliate marketing income. Now that you've established your website and decided which goods to advertise, it's time to dig into our step-by-step procedure for making money with affiliate marketing. To make money through affiliate marketing, after creating a website and joined an affiliate network, it's time to start monetizing it through affiliate marketing. Let's get started. First and foremost, you should create affiliate revenue-generating content. Most newbies who want to make money with affiliate marketing simply write some random material and include affiliate links within the article. That method may or may not work, but if you actually want to increase your affiliate revenue, you must ensure that the information you produce reaches your intended audience. Your target audience is someone who wants to buy a product but is unsure whether it is worthwhile. Sometimes the user is unsure about which product to purchase to meet their demands. It is your responsibility as an affiliate marketer to help people discover the perfect product for their needs through high-quality content, assist them in making a purchasing choice, and then guide them to the product website to complete the transaction. That is, your content should target investigational intent keywords, which are the types of phrases your target audience uses on Google to research the product they desire before purchasing it. When you have finished creating content, promote your affiliate products inside it. You know what kind of content you're going to create now: investigative. You're seeking for subjects that revolve around your target audience's search for a solution to a problem. After you've completed your keyword research and developed your content ideas, it's time to begin incorporating affiliate links into your content. The manner in which you place your affiliate links will be determined by the exact content you are authoring. If you're performing a product review, it makes little sense to include affiliate links to 5 separate items. After that, turn your website visitors into affiliate customers. One of the most common mistakes that new affiliate marketers make is expecting they need 10x their traffic in order to 10x their profit. It doesn't function like that, which is wonderful news for you. Assume you're promoting a product on your website that pays a $30 affiliate commission on every sale you make. Assume your affiliate conversion rate is 2%, which means that for every 100 people you direct to that website, 2 of them purchase the goods. Finally, increase revenue by optimizing existing traffic. This following stage comes from a plan based on something known as the 80/20 rule. In this scenario, the 80/20 rule states that 20% of your content will generate 80% of your income. It is obviously not an exact metric, but the underlying premise remains unchanged. Determine your highest converting content and promote it for affiliate campaigns. With this, here comes the end of the video. I hope you found this video informative. If this is the case, you might be interested in watching similar videos. You can find out more about that on our YouTube channel. Are you prepared to begin earning more money with affiliate marketing? Let us know in the comments. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Press the subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell icon, so you never miss an update from this channel. It also helps to boost my confidence to provide you guys with a new banger video. Thank you guys for watching till the end. Have a good day.